Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the fascinating country of Luxembourg. Despite its small size, Luxembourg has a rich history, a thriving economy, and stunning landscapes. So let's dive into some interesting facts about this European gem. Location and first up. Let's talk about Luxembourg's location. It's a landlocked country nestled in Western Europa, bordered by Belgium, Germany, and France. Despite being one of the smallest countries in the world, Luxembourg is known for its impressive wealth and high standard of living. Capital and language. The capital of Luxembourg is the city of Luxembourg, which is not only the country's capital but also one of the official capitals of the European Union. Luxembourg has three official languages: Luxembourgish, French, and German, reflecting its rich cultural diversity. Government and economy. Now, let's delve into the political landscape. Luxembourg is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy. It's a key player in the European Union, hosting institutions like the European Court of Justice and the European Investment Bank. The country boasts a highly developed and diverse economy, with a focus on finance, technology, and its historical steel industry. Steel industry and EU presence. Speaking of the steel industry, Luxembourg played a pivotal role in the development of the European coal and steel community, a precursor to the European Union. Luxembourg is not just a member of the EU, it's a place where crucial EU institutions are located. Natural beauty. Now, let's shift our focus to Luxembourg's natural beauty. The country is a haven for nature lovers, with picturesque landscapes like the Ardennes forest, the Mullertal region, and the scenic Moselle River. The juxtaposition of modernity and nature is truly breathtaking. Multilingual population and cuisine. With its rich history and geographical location, Luxembourg has a multicultural and multilingual population. And let's not forget the delicious cuisine, a unique blend of French and German influences. Traditional dishes like judmat gardebonen and gromperikishelchair are a must-try. National Day and transportation. Mark your calendars because Luxembourg celebrates its National Day on June 23rd, commemorating the official birthday of the Grand Duke. And when it comes to getting around, Luxembourg has a well-developed transportation system, with Luxembourg City Airport serving as a major hub. And there you have it, folks, some intriguing facts about Luxembourg. Whether you're interested in its history, economy, or natural beauty, Luxembourg has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.